What is going on, guys? So today I'm in servicing for the 1 year servicing, but most importantly, can't believe I had the Sienna for a year. But again, most importantly, I'm in here for the second key delivery program, the key replacement. So starting in October 2022, Toyota was delivering cars with just one key fob. Now today I'm in finally. I got the car in January of 2023, and it's quarter 4 of 2023. So here it is. This is basically the key replacement program, what they send you. And they're able to find you by the information that you provided when you purchased the vehicle. On that note, I'll check back right in later. All right, so everything is done. It took about less than an hour. This is the new key right here. This is my current key. I don't think they had to take it out of the leather key fob. But product number, and here's a vehicle. Didn't ask for a car wash. And overall, it's a pretty smooth process. Pretty sure it works. Let me see. Let me drop off the key right here. Leave it on top of, let's say, here, right? And then let's test it out. As I walk closer, it should illuminate. Yes, it does. Nice. And there you go. Here is the official product number. This was sent from Toyota in New Jersey to Millennium Toyota in New York. Official product number, I think. And it hasn't been opened. They coded it just inside this plastic bag. And this one goes hand in hand. Actually, that's very interesting. So the key, the physical key or the valet key itself that we got from Toyota, this is gonna go into here. All right, so I would assume this is really quick in programming. And this key right here that I'm sure everyone has, I'm sure everyone received from the original delivery, the date gets placed into, it gets placed into here. So this portion right here is vacant for the new key. So it seems pretty straightforward. All right. So for those of you guys who are still waiting for the key, there's a chart on Sienna chat that basically gives you an estimate of when you're gonna get it. So for people who picked it up in January and February of 2023, gets the key in quarter 4 of 2023, and so forth. That is it for the Toyota visit today. It's nice driving wise and everything. And on that note, I'll see you guys in the next one. Take care.